So I'm gonna get the fried rice with chicken, and we're gonna get I'm getting the Philadelphia roll and the spicy tuna crunch. We're gonna get this in KANU, baby. Taking pictures, nothing. There he goes. That was a spicy tuna roll. I'm not saying nothing. Philly roll. Yeah. Rice is pretty on point. Good, man. I'm gonna enjoy this meal. Yeah, just coming back here at the Sur Sushi. It's the SUR sushi truck here in North Hills area, Arleta, Panorama City, right off Plummer. So if you're around here, try it out. You could also get it delivered, I believe. Look on their menu. They have I think it's sursushi.com. And you can take a look at everything, and I think you can order right from there or call or something like that. Says something about delivery. I haven't tried that, but anyways, this is the continuation on the video I first started. So this is actually going to be my second time getting something from here. So I'm just going to get one item, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But I didn't get to rate and review the previous the first time. So I had the deep fried, or I don't know if it was deep fried, but like fried spicy tuna roll. And I had the Philly roll, which was the cream cheese and the tuna and avocado. And also had a side of the chicken fried rice. So I always judge out of 5 stars, so to speak. I will give them a solid 4, no problem. The first off, fast, friendly service, so to speak, easy. They take credit card and everything too. I used cash at the time. Reasonable price. You definitely get your money's worth, I think. I got it was 25 bucks, and it lasted, that night. I shared some with my wife, and I had some for lunch the next day, and I think a little bit of the rice left later on. I was trying to finish that sushi off, I didn't want it sitting around. So it was definitely a couple meals worth at least, and yeah, it was pretty, pretty solid. I can't get too descriptive. Each one was really good. The flavors were fresh, and kind of. But I will say it had like a overall, like, I don't want to call it like the kind of like a kind of the coming from a food truck taste, but not in a bad way or anything. It was really good. But not it's not like it was funky or something. I'm just trying to say, like, it had a little bit of the gritty flavor, I would say, or like simple ingredients. Here we go. So I ended up getting the cut roll. So yeah, I got the scallop cut roll, the cut scallop roll. And I also got sushi 3-piece of the yellowtail, so we're going to try this out. Should be great. Be right back, y'all. Alright, so here we go. It's actually 2 pieces, so that's okay. So here we go. That's 10 pieces overall. Alright, we're going to start off with the scallops. The scallop cut roll. sesame on the rice. Oh man, very fresh, good, really good. Look at that scallop. Focus is moving. The palate, you know. So we get into this yellowtail next. That is a big piece of fish right there. A little bit there. Very good. Yellowtail is so good. It's got a fattiness to it, but I'm gonna finish up my meal. Getting down to the last two here, people. This is awesome. Man, I can eat it. But I'm gonna be good. This is the last bite. Oh, live burp. That's probably the only one I'll have, but I know I'm right on the street here. So it's right off of Plummer and Sepulveda here. You just make a right. If you're going north at Sepulveda, make a right on Plummer and just go down before Burnett, which is a little street, so you might miss that. You'll see it. It's on the right side. Sur Sushi. Man, very good. Like I said, that was what, 10 rolls total. Well, two sushi rolls, 8 of the cut roll, which is just one full roll essentially. But oh my god, that was so good. So it was this, again, that was the scallop cut roll, fresh scallop, and the fresh yellowtail sushi. 5 out of 5. The last time was good too, but I always kind of test something first time with, I try to keep it on a couple safe items maybe, or just, I didn't go for the freshest fish or whatever. I mean, it was fresh, but I'm saying I didn't go for like the rawest, I should say, yeah. But this time, just getting, like the raw sushi or the raw fish and just keeping it bare minimum, like the simple, straightforward, man, freaking really good, excellent. I gave with the tip, came out to $12. If I didn't give a tip, it would have been like, I think 10 or so. Like I said, really good. So if you're in the Valley or LA, even if you're in LA or something, make your way out here somehow, definitely give them a shot. They're open late, like midnight almost every night. Tonight it's Sunday, so they're open only till 10. So that's it.